Imagine turning just $100 into thousands over time, without needing to be a stock market genius or having a big salary. Most beginners think they need thousands of dollars or insider tips to start investing, but that's completely wrong. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step way to start investing in 2026, with as little as $100 even if you've never invested before. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to put your money, how to avoid the biggest beginner mistakes, and how to let compound interest work for you automatically. If you're tired of watching your money sit in a low-interest savings account, stick around till the end because the last tip could save you years of lost growth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Digital Income Hub. I help every day people build real wealth without the complicated jargon. Today we're covering the complete beginner's roadmap to investing in 2026. Now, why should you care? Because inflation is still eating away at your savings, and simply keeping money in the bank won't make you rich. Starting now, even with small amounts, can change your financial future. First things first, why invest at all? Let me show you the power of compound interest with a quick example. If you invest $100 every month at an average 8% annual return, which is realistic with broad market index funds, after 30 years, you could have over $150,000. That's the magic of letting your money work for you. But here's the problem. 70% of young people still don't invest because they think it's too risky or too complicated. In 2026, with AI tools and easy apps, it's actually never been simpler. Interest rates are stabilizing and the market is giving new opportunities, but only if you start. Before you put even $1 into the stock market, you need these two things. First, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Don't invest money you might need next month. Second, pay off high-interest debt first. Anything above 7 to 8% interest, like credit cards, should be paid off before investing. Once those are sorted, you're ready. Many beginners skip this and lose money when life hits them with an unexpected bill. Here's exactly what I would do if I was starting fresh in 2026. Open a brokerage account that allows fractional shares so you can buy with just $100. Popular beginner-friendly options include Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab. Many of them have zero commissions now. If you're in the United States, consider a Roth IRA if you qualify because it grows tax-free. Start with just $100. Yes, it sounds small, but it builds the habit. Set up automatic monthly transfers so you don't even think about it. Pro tip: many platforms now let you round up your everyday purchases and invest the spare change automatically. Don't try to pick individual stocks when you're starting, because that's how most beginners lose money. Instead, go for low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the entire market. My top recommendation for beginners in 2026 is VTI or VU, which tracks the US stock market, and VXUS for international exposure. A simple portfolio could be 80 to 90% in a broad US index fund plus 10 to 20% international. This strategy has historically returned around 7 to 10% per year after inflation. It's boring, but boring wins in the long run. Avoid meme stocks, crypto if you're a total beginner, and anything promising guaranteed 100% returns, because those are red flags. Biggest mistakes I see are checking your portfolio every day, which causes panic selling, trying to time the market, and investing money you can't afford to lose. Real example, one of my viewers started with $50 per month in 2023. By early 2026, even with market ups and downs, his account grew over 35%, thanks to consistent investing and compounding. To recap, first, build your emergency fund and pay off high-interest debt. Second, open a beginner-friendly brokerage account. Third, start small with automatic investments into low-cost index funds or ETFs. And fourth, be patient and consistent, because time in the market beats timing the market. If you follow these steps, even starting with $100, you're already ahead of 90% of people your age. If this video helped you, smash that like button because it really helps new people find this content. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video, where I'll show you the best ETFs for 2026 and how to build a 1OK portfolio. Comment below with the word starting. If you're committing to invest your first $100 this month, I read every comment. Thanks for watching till the end. You've got this. See you in the next one.